Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to automate Shopify orders. So it's very easy. First things first, you need to create your Shopify account. Just go to any web browser and then type Shopify. So basically, Shopify orders is easy, but it would be easier if you know some automation or applications inside the Shopify that you can install on your Shopify account or Shopify store. So whether you sell physical products, digital downloads, or use dropshipping, you will learn how to save time, reduce errors, and create a smoother shopping experience for your customer. So basically, what is a Shopify order automation? So, what is this order automation? Order automation means using Shopify's built in features and compatible automation tools to perform routine tasks automatically after a customer places an order. You don't need a lot of employees. All you need to do is an Shopify order automation, and that you can basically install within the Shopify store or account. Instead of manually processing every purchase, automation can help confirm new orders, send customer notifications, update inventory, tag orders, assign fulfillment tasks, create invoices, notify your team, and trigger shipping flows. So basically, all you need to do is just set up your Shopify store first, the payment, the plan, the billing, and products and collections here. Once done, you can go to Shopify App Store, and then here you can look for Shopify Flow. So if available, what you're going to do here is you have to look for or search for Shopify Flow. Shopify Flow is Shopify's automation tool that allows you to create workflows using triggers, conditions, and actions without writing code. So, for example, you can build a workflow that triggers a new order is created, condition the payment is successfully captured. So inside the workflow, the action could be tag the order, notify your warehouse team, add the customer to a loyalty segment, and set internal notification. So basically, that's it. Inside the Shopify App Store, you can search for a specific automation tool. So, for example, like this Shopify Flow. This is what it looks like. All you have to do is to click this one. Okay, tap this. Now, this one is for those who have upgraded their plan. This is not available for free version. So as you can see, this is the description. These are the things that we can do or the automation can do. Okay, even if you're sleeping. Okay, no need for employees and other people to help you. All you need to do is to install this flow, automation flow. But again, I cannot do that because I'm just using the basic version. So but if you can just basically install it, you can customize workflows to match your business needs. However, if you don't have or if you're just using the basic plan version, you can look for automation applications here. So basically, if you're looking for product automation or product tools that can help you lessen your work here in Shopify, you can look for product automation here, and there are tons of applications and tools that can help. All you have to do is to click, read the following description right here, and then install. As you can see, if you use this automator, for example, product automator, it can help with the following. All you have to do is to read. After that, if you need this, install. And this application or tool will be added automatically to your Shopify store. Now, if you want automation tool for payment, like you don't want to work or you don't want or you want less effort when it comes to payment here in your Shopify store, you can go to Shopify store again and then search for payment. As you can see, there are automation application for payment features, and all you have to do is select one. You have to read the following description. So, for example, if you want to install this, read the information first, the description first, what this application can do in your Shopify store, what can this application do for easier workflow. So always remember that inside the Shopify, there is this automate inventory updates, like automation tool for inventories, for shipping services. So as you can see, once you have installed that tool, you can go back to your Shopify account. and then you can see it on the left side below application. So all you have to do is to set up this one to make your workflow easier. Now, if you're planning to do drop shipping in your Shopify store, it's also available here in Shopify App Store. All you have to do is go to Shopify App Store and then search for drop shipping. There are tons of drop shipping services here. CJ drop shipping, Teasers, okay? So AutoDS. But if you want a free version or free tool, that you have to look for some of this tools here, and some tools here are not perfect, but I think there are also some tools that are perfect. So all you have to do is to read the description, and once you like it, all you have to do is tap on install, create an account. So for example, for Deezers, if you want to use the Deezers AliExpress dropshipping, you need to have a Deezer account and AliExpress account. And all you have to do is to connect the Deezers to AliExpress. Inside the Deezers, you will see here your Shopify store. Okay? All you have to do is to link your Shopify store. Then you can push the products that you have added here in Deezers to your Shopify store. So it's like when people go to Deezers or AliExpress rather, select the product, then your users will be notified. And then once it's notified, the products will be pushed to your Shopify store. And then basically that's it. So that's how it goes. That's how it flows. Or if people go to your Shopify store, then they can click that product that they can purchase in Deezers. But all is connected, the AliExpress, Deezers, and Shopify. So basically, that's it. So there are tons of products and tools that you can use. Always remember that all you have to do is go to Shopify App Store. So again, there is an automation for drop shipping, for digital product delivery, and so on. So just test every workflow: payment, customer emails, inventory updates, shipping information, internal notifications, and orders. So keep workflow simple at first. Always remember that you have to look for the Shopify workflow before going to other tools in order for you to have an easier workflow. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.